Does your pet suffer with fleas, or maybe ticks? There is a way to treat these pests on dogs and cats using a home remedy that's effective, simple, and doesn't cost a lot of money. In this video, we're going to show you how to treat your pet for fleas and ticks, giving them all year-round protection, using a simple, natural recipe. It's always frustrating and annoying that summer comes along and our poor dog or cat get fleas. Maybe they even suffer in the winter when fleas can breed, even easier indoors, when the heating is on, and there's not enough fresh air. With dogs as well as cats, they suffer, and it's not a lot of fun for the poor animals. These horrible fleas and ticks cling to our pets, and are not only annoying, but they spread diseases, and they can hang around, month after month, multiplying all the time. Ticks are hard to find and remove on pets, and cause a great deal of discomfort. Fleas jump from one place to another without a trace, so it's hard to get rid of them. So today we are going to show you a cheap, effective, and easy recipe to kill off those fleas and ticks for good, and give our furry friends some relief. And don't forget, the fleas can also affect us as humans, so it's really important to start this treatment as soon as possible. This is what you need. 3 teaspoons of warm water. 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. 200 milliliters of apple cider vinegar. Here's what to do. Add all the ingredients together in a spray bottle, and make sure to shake it well. Spray the mixture, or as I like to call it, the magic formula, onto your dog or cat's fur, making sure to give extra treatment to the area around the neck, ears, and legs. The majority of fleas will climb onto the animal via its legs, and make way to the head area, so that's the reason for extra treatment to the legs. Once the spray has been applied, brush or comb the fur to spread the mixture all over your pet. This will also prevent further infection of fleas and ticks for around 1 month in the summer, depending of course, on the size of your dog or cat. You can use this spray anywhere that you have fleas, not only on pets. Carpets, bedding, clothes, or even in the car. But before using this spray on your animals, carry out an allergy test, to make sure that you're not doing your pet any harm. We all react in different ways to treatments, and our pets are no different. But don't be alarmed, it's rare that any reaction will take place. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video and it's been helpful. Thank you for watching and listening. Remember to subscribe to our channel to get more natural remedy videos.